Good. Done. Done.
That was it?
Squeeze. No.
Oh.
Just relaxing all this muscle here. This is, again, the good side. How's that?
It feels good.
Right there. Yeah, there's a little trigger point there. Take you back. Any vertigo, dizziness, anything here?
No.
That's it. There we go. We're getting there. How you doing?
Good.
Sorry, that was my knuckle. That was not you. That's my knuckle. I'm gonna take each vertebrae.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Second one down. And back. Shake it, shake it, shake it. That's it. Doing okay?
Mm-hmm.
I'm really pushing it into place here. As hard as I'm gonna go.
Okay.
But it relaxed this one up here.
Yeah.
Yep, there you go. I'm like, ooh. Ooh. It's all up into your skull.
I always see you do videos of like in their skull, and it looks so nice.
Chin back for me.
Ooh, that felt nice.
Very good. See? Breathe. Here we go. Next one.
I was so nervous.
Nice.
No, that was good.
No, I should feel good. That's it. Perfect. Breathe. Take a breath. Let it go. There it goes. Hold on. There it goes. Perfect. That was the hip. Knee. Good. Then hip. Perfect. Okay. That was lower extremities and your neck.
Mm-hmm.
Doing okay?
Yeah.
All right, come on and sit up and face that way. Anything catching?
No, but it feels so much better here, right?
It still might feel a little tight here. I
Yeah.
still have to lower that down.
It's not as bad.
It shouldn't be.
Yeah. No, to hit the shoulder. Yeah.
So I didn't adjust anywhere in your lower neck.
Mm-hmm.
I didn't do here.
Yeah.
Up here in
Yeah.
the skull, which is kind of more what I think you're looking for.
Mm-hmm.
Okay? Yeah.
See, that's ticklish right there.
Yeah, boy, is it. Right there. Deep breath in. Let it all the way out. Breathe. Is that okay?
Uh-huh.
Deep breath in. Oh, yeah. Good. Breathe. Almost got him. And again. These are the roughest ones down here. Okay, breathe. She got one over here. There it goes. Perfect. And again. I got you. I got you. I'm going to push slowly. No. Okay, that's as much as you can let me do. It's okay. It's all right. Okay, do you mind if I rolled these down just a little bit to here?
Yep.
I'm gonna see. Okay. It does tell a different story when you're laying down.
Does it?
Yeah, quite a bit.
That's like, if you go down more, that's where, like, right. I always feel like the bottom of my tailbone needs to crack.
It's right there. I feel it. Take a deep breath in. On the exhale. That's it. Feels pretty good. Good, excellent. Big spasm over here, right there. Yep, you got it. That's it. Breathe. On the exhale, here we go. Done. Perfect. I got you. I know. Hi. A little nervy. Like, see, feel that? I got it. Breathe. And on the exhale, here we go. Come on. Okay, okay.
Ooh, I felt that.
Okay, I'll back off. It's more sensitive over here. Yeah, a lot more. Okay, so it leads all the way in. It's not as scarred as this side. It's just more nervy over here. It's compressed.
I can feel the difference.
Yeah, it's huge. When I first looked at you, I was like, whoa, left. So when you're seated, it's all of this right here. Then it makes it a direct switch to this side. Okay, I'm going to pull this up. Just raise that up. Perfect. Right there. Let's see how far down this goes into the low back. Doing good, doing good. You'll learn to know that the cracks are the fun part.
Yeah.
It's all this stuff. Because chiropractors like to rearrange spines. like that's not supposed to be there. Let me push that over. Yeah, there's this twist here. It's all right, we'll get it. And you're a little ticklish, so I'm sorry.
It's all right.
Doing my best here, but you're doing good. You're letting me do what I need to do. So here we go. Take a deep breath in again. That lets me feel the ribs. And on the exhale, we see how far they want to go in. That's it. Yeah, my whole hand spans.
Takes up her whole back.
Yeah.
She's a little thing.
Yeah, I haven't grown since 12.
Yeah, that's it. I don't want to make you too sore, but that is an issue there. There you go. Okay, I'm going to work through this one. Here we go. Okay, that's the bad one. That was the worst one.
Yeah.
Breathe. There you go. There we go. One more. It's going to be half of what it was before.
Okay.
Perfect. You got it. Just cleaning them out. It's all swollen in here. There you go. Much better. Much better. There you go. Perfect. Okay, relax. And he explained the bruising to you?
Yeah.
Okay.
It'll last like a week, right?
Yeah, see, I don't show that on TikTok.
Mm-hmm. But it's in your YouTube videos, right?
Correct. It's in every single one. Almost.
I don't usually watch those just because I like scrolling and watching the cracking stuff.
Right, right.
But I've seen it. I've seen you do it.
Okay. How does that feel?
It's okay.
Now, I don't give you any painkillers in here, right?
No.
No, I don't put any numbing gel, nothing. She can feel everything. I don't use any lidocaine or anything like that. This is just all her. She's got a little bit coming out right here. Oh, she's got a little bit over here too. There we go. It's getting a little hot.
Yeah, a little bit.
Okay.
Is scraping just to help get blood flow? Is that the point of scraping? Or?
In part, that's one aspect of it. It feels like I'm pulling apart fascia.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's about as far as I'll take her right there. She's doing good. You all right? Suffering through it?
No, I'm all good.
Holding back the tears.
No, it's not that bad. No, it's not bad.
All right. Stop me at any time, okay? Okay, I'm gonna back off a little bit here. I gotta take my time through this. It's quite a big clump. Pull it up, pull it up, pull it. Thank you. Pulling it up, pull it up, pull it up. There's that side. Oh, I can hear it too. Are you okay?
Yeah.
Here we go. Take you there. Done. Other side. Breathe. I'm really trying to work that shoulder for you.
Yeah, I feel it.
It's being a little stubborn. It's okay. It'll make up its mind eventually. Do you mind if I take out your hair?
Yeah. Yeah, it's gonna be curling crazy, but.
Well, you're at the chiropractor's. Everything's a little crazy in here anyway. Okay. Tuck your chin for me. Perfect. Okay. I'm not going to go that hard on your skull.
Feels so good though.
Perfect. Yeah, see, she's all cleaned up out here. So what I'll do is I'll search. I'll start searching here. We'll sit you up in a second because after we wipe you off here, okay?
Mm-hmm.
Now head goes back. Throw your head backwards. Perfect. That's why I don't want the ponytail. Oh, that felt nice. Other
That's
side.
what I needed.
Other side. Take your time. There's part of your pelvis. I can feel her body already getting cold, so here we go. Head back. Throw your head back. Throw it back. That. Perfect. And on your back. Good. Bend your knees. This is the third joint of the pelvis.
Okay.
Third joint.
Oh, I always see you do this, where you go like that.
Yes, it's the
Yeah.
adductor muscles. Front. 1, 2. Good. Done. Done.
That was it?
Squeeze. No.
Oh.
No, you don't have any
No.
scar tissue. Perfect. Look straight ahead. That's it. Chest out. Bring this arm forward. Elbow back.
I always see do that too.
Yeah, no, we're just resetting stuff. Lean away. Ooh, very flexible. Oh, take care of your money makers here. Excellent, feels good. Nice. Keep as straight as you can. Now look a little bit, that's it. Elbow back. Oh, there you go. Perfect, lean away. You saved some of the finger ones for me. I was like, this is a suture.
Mhm.
This is where the two pieces of bones come together when you were a little kid.
Yeah, clergy was so bad right now.
Yeah, welcome to Florida. We got everything growing here.
I don't feel anything.
Yeah, no, it shouldn't. A little more nervy in here.
Yeah.
Quick pressure. I don't know the name, sorry. I think I need a little pointier one. Nerve endings, yeah, there we go.
Oh, I felt that one.
Sometimes when it's blocked in the neck, it can fire down
Yeah.
your arm. Good. Around here, you're doing good.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, I'm gonna do this, the trigeminal nerve. Kind of do like a butterfly move here. And then I'm gonna push as much as you can take. Flex those, there they go. Okay, open up the jaw a little bit. Relax that down. That's it. Make sure I got everything.
Yeah.
Feeling okay?
Feel loose?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
It's
Feel
weird.
yeah.
It feels good, but it's weird.
If you feel like a little lightheaded, a little tall.
Yeah. A
Let
little
the-
taller, yeah.
Yeah.
5 foot maybe.
Finally got the 5 foot.
Maybe 5 foot.
Yeah, then I usually just stop there for a
Yeah.
first treat. That's a good place to leave it.
Yeah. No, it feels
Okay.
good.